Today we're going to take a close look at how to remove and replace most late model pull style door handles. With everything out of the way, we can see what's going on. We have a screw right here that needs to be removed first, and you can access that screw by removing this rubber plug in the door jamb. Then from the outside, you can pull the handle out a little bit and remove this piece. Again, that just sits in there like that and comes out. As I pull the handle out, you can see where it attaches right there. And this particular model has a spring clip that if you push it in, it holds it into place. And then again from the outside, you can move the handle forward about 1/4 of an inch, rotate it back, and then from here it just comes out. Some of them have a wire for this option. Again, slide it forward, rotate it, and pull it out. To remove the mechanism inside, you have one screw right here. Just loosen it up a couple turns, slide it, and remove it. Here's an up-close shot of that door handle removal from the inside. And here's an up-close shot of all the parts. To install the handle mechanism, it's basically just the reverse. After installing the handle, give it a light pull and that clip will pop out of the way. And finally install this last piece. Just pull out on the handle a little bit and put it into place. I hope you enjoyed this video on removing and replacing late model door handles. If you did and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.